Nature is amazing. It's like a big, beautiful stage. Animals and plants are the stars. They come in all shapes and sizes. From tiny insects to giant whales, nature is full of surprises. Every day, nature puts on a show. The sun rises, painting the sky with colors. Animals wake up and start their day. Birds sing, monkeys chatter, and insects buzz. Nature is always changing. Seasons come and go. Flowers bloom and then wither. Animals grow and change too. But one thing remains constant: nature's beauty and wonder. Let's explore some of the fascinating secrets that nature holds.
I've been lucky enough to witness many incredible sights in the wild. Each encounter leaves an indelible mark on my soul, but some experiences are truly unforgettable. One such experience that stands out vividly in my memory was my encounter with a family of mountain gorillas in the lush forests of Rwanda. These magnificent creatures, with their expressive eyes and powerful presence, left me in awe. We trekked for hours through dense rainforest to reach their habitat. The journey was arduous, with thick vegetation and steep inclines, but the anticipation of meeting these gentle giants kept us going. As we approached, we could hear the gorillas grunting and playing. The sounds of the forest came alive with their presence, creating a symphony of nature that was both thrilling and humbling. It was an awe-inspiring sight. The sheer size and grace of the gorillas were mesmerizing. They moved with a sense of purpose and calm that was almost meditative. The gorillas were gentle giants. Despite their immense strength, they exhibited a tenderness and social bond that was heartwarming to witness. They seemed unfazed by our presence as they went about their daily routine. It was as if we were invisible, mere spectators to their world. We watched in amazement as a mother gorilla nursed her baby, her eyes filled with a protective love. Nearby, young gorillas tumbled and played, their carefree antics a testament to the safety and harmony of their environment. This encounter taught me the importance of respecting wildlife and protecting their habitats. It reinforced the need for conservation efforts to ensure that future generations can also experience the magic of such encounters. The preservation of these majestic creatures and their homes is a responsibility we all share.
Nature is a feast for the eyes. It offers a visual symphony that captivates and inspires us. The beauty of nature is not just in its grand landscapes, but also in the minute details that often go unnoticed. It comes in every color imaginable, painting the world with hues that evoke emotions and memories. Each color tells a story, from the soft pastels of spring blossoms to the fiery reds of autumn leaves, from the vibrant reds and oranges of a sunset to the deep blues and greens of the ocean. Nature's palette is endless. The sky at dusk, with its myriad of colors, is a daily masterpiece that never fails to awe. Flowers are nature's works of art. Each petal, each bloom, is a testament to the intricate design and thought that goes into the natural world. They come in all shapes, sizes, and colors. Watching a flower bloom is like witnessing a miracle unfold, a slow dance of life and beauty. Some flowers, like the orchid, have intricate patterns and designs that are simply breathtaking. These details, often missed at a glance, reveal the complexity and wonder of nature. The colors in nature serve a purpose. They are not just for show, but play a crucial role in the ecosystem. Bright colors on flowers attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. This interaction is vital for the reproduction of many plants and the survival of these pollinators. The camouflage of animals helps them to blend in with their surroundings. This adaptation is a brilliant example of nature's ingenuity, providing protection and aiding in hunting. Nature's beauty is a reminder of the incredible creativity and diversity of life on Earth. Every creature, every plant, contributes to the rich tapestry of life, making our planet a vibrant and dynamic place to live.
Nature is alive with sound. Close your eyes and listen. What do you hear? The chirping of birds, the rustling of leaves, the croaking of frogs, the buzzing of insects. Each sound plays a part in the symphony of nature. Birds sing to attract mates and defend their territories. Insects buzz as they fly from flower to flower, collecting nectar. Even the wind creates music as it blows through the trees. The sounds of nature are soothing and calming. They remind us of the interconnectedness of all living things.
Section 8. The Circle of Life. Everything in nature is connected. From the tiniest microorganisms in the soil to the largest mammals roaming the earth, every living thing plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystem. Plants provide food and oxygen for animals. They are the primary producers, converting sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, which forms the foundation of the food chain. Animals help to pollinate plants and disperse their seeds. Bees, butterflies, and birds transfer pollen from one flower to another, enabling plants to reproduce. Similarly, animals like squirrels and birds spread seeds far and wide, ensuring the growth of new plants. When animals die, their bodies decompose and provide nutrients for the soil. This decomposition process is facilitated by decomposers like fungi and bacteria, which break down organic matter and recycle it back into the ecosystem. This is the circle of life. It's a continuous cycle where life and death are intertwined, each phase supporting the next. It's a delicate balance that ensures the survival of all living things. Each species, no matter how small, has a role to play in this intricate web of life. If one part of the circle is disrupted, it can have a ripple effect on the entire ecosystem. The loss of a single species can lead to unforeseen consequences, affecting other species and the environment as a whole. For example, if we cut down too many trees, it can lead to soil erosion, habitat loss, and climate change. Trees are vital for maintaining the Earth's climate, providing shelter for countless species, and preventing soil from being washed away. It's important to remember that we are all part of this delicate web of life. Our actions have a profound impact on the environment, and we must strive to live in harmony with nature to ensure the survival of future generations.
Section 9. Nature's decomposers. Some creatures may seem a little gross, but they play a vital role in nature. Decomposers, like worms and fungi, break down dead plants and animals. This process may not be pretty, but it's essential for recycling nutrients back into the ecosystem. Without decomposers, the world would be piled high with dead plants and animals. Decomposers are nature's recyclers. They help to keep our planet clean and healthy. So the next time you see a worm, remember to appreciate the important job it's doing.
Section 10. Our role in nature's story. We humans are part of nature too. We rely on nature for everything we need: food, water, air, and shelter. But we also have a big impact on the natural world. Our actions can harm or help the environment. Pollution, deforestation, and climate change are all serious threats to the natural world. But we can also make a positive difference. By reducing our impact on the environment, protecting wildlife, and conserving natural resources, we can help to ensure a healthy planet for future generations. Section 11. A call to protect our planet. The natural world is a precious gift. It's our responsibility to protect it. We can all do our part by making small changes in our daily lives. Reduce, reuse, and recycle.